To record your desktop with a VLC Media Player, you need to go to the Media and select Open Capture Device. Over here, in Capture Mode, select the desktop. You can set frame rate for the capture. I'll put 24 frames, for example. Now, instead of play click this drop-down menu and select Convert. Now find the MP4 profile in this list. This is useful to do because VLC will record AVI format and your file size will be very large. So we change this to MP4, which is more manageable. Choose where you want to save your capture. And now to capture desktop, hit the start button. When you are done, press the stop button and you can preview your desktop capture. And this is it. This is how you record your desktop screen with VLC Media Player. Thanks for watching. Drop some comments below if you find this helpful and have a nice day.